So I sold in 190, 192.5 call spread, and then I sold the 170, 167.5 put spread for 110 credit. That is going to be a nice trade. And then also, I also took a SOSX. I sold some puts naked in that one. Stock's actually down a little bit today, but those expire tomorrow. So today, looking pretty good. We saw IBM calls in the tape yesterday. IBM's up about $2 here so far. You never know what you're going to get. And that's why the futures were down 20 last night. And now just rallying back. I mean, it's crazy sometimes that, like, the market just, I mean, NVIDIA beat on top and bottom line, but it's like, I don't really care. And then NVIDIA got down to about 172, and then it bounced back from that level. It's down about $1 here. So it really not moving. It's already traded 18 million shares. Can't imagine how much stock it's going to trade today. But we'll see what happens today. Today is the greatest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. Alcoa up strong today. Futures basically unchanged here. So Alcoa calls that were bought yesterday up. Dow up 27 cents. DRS higher. HNRG higher. Samsora higher. KGS is higher. KGS, I do have a target here. I had a target at 65. I can move those to 70 here in KGS. I would add more of those at 35. KGS up $0.50 this morning. I'm going to offer those at 70. I'm going to change my 65 offer to 70. HRNG higher. ONN higher. SKE higher. SOXX down now. The VIX down to 14.15. Volatility getting crushed in the SOSX. NVIDIA now up on the day. Up about $2 here in NVIDIA. Have an iron condor I put on yesterday. BILL would be nice exit here. NTNX down $5. So thankfully I got out of NTNX OCT85s before earnings at 95 cents. And they traded up to 120, I think. So nice trade there. BRBR down, Beam higher, ABR higher, AKRO unchanged. We'll start the day at a P&L. I don't know. It says it's up a lot, but I think it's just a fake mark. I have an iron condor in the SPX. HNRG are now marking 15.20. P&L is higher today. I don't know why, to be completely honest. KGS is higher. BSY is up another 40 cents. Have those offered at 210. My biggest dollar amount risk position is BSY. They're 150, 180. BRBR is down today. RSI, I'll look here in a second. We have the first day trade of the day, guys. Buyer of target calls. So if you want to take a day trade, buyer of target calls. You want to take a day trade, buyer of target calls. These are the target 101s, guys. If you want to take a day trade, target 101s. So buyer of target calls, guys. Day trade, the 101s. Day trade on the 101s here in Tradier. Tradier, buyer of the 101s. I'm not going to take these here. The 101s in Target trading here, and the 101s 3,500 trading here, and they were bought at 15 cents. Sorry. I am short puts in the SOSX. The 6.5 stock is down. Calls puts are unchanged. NTNX getting rocked here. Frog higher today. Double A moving up nicely. I have a trade on BILL from Mark. I'm going to wait for his instructions to want to close that. BLL. Let's see the P&L for today. Oh, BLL. I'm up with some nice money here in BLL. So BLL up a nice money here from Mark's trade. BBY down here. Up money on this trade. So I took 3 earnings trades, 3 winners today, guys. 2 of them were from Mark. 3 earnings trades, 3 winners so far. Today, CNX moving lower again. Those 47.5s were bought in September. 13,000 traded. They're 50, 65. I would not pay 50. I'd pay closer to like 35 cents on that one. BRBR down. BSY up 60 cents. Let's go, BSY. They're 167 right now. 150, 185. 56 by 10 contracts. P&L's on fire, guys. Another day of profitability. I'm up over 1,000 a day. P&L, again, all-time highs. We like to see that. I think I made money every day in like the last 8 days, and I haven't even taken a trade yet today. But Mark's earnings trade's working out well in BILL. That one's working out well. I wanted to kind of sit here around the 45 half level. And then BBY, both of those making money. Intel up 23 cents. NVIDIA up. I took a NVIDIA Iron Condor. That's up $83. I had $140 of risk on that one. Coursera down. BSY up 75 cents. Look at them go, Lucy. I have 23 calls offered here at 210 in BSY. I traded 46,000 shares. TJT calls down to 12 cents here. Did not take any of those. I'm not the best day trader. The only day trades I take are Tim's trades, to be completely honest. Futures up 10. VIX 71 cents. You've got to be kidding me, AK. Samsora set 45s. Those are moving up nicely now. They're up to 70, 80 now. IMAX up again today. KGS higher. KNX down. KGS, I have a target at 70. I can go to 65 on those in KGS. Just kind of chilling here, guys. Profitability is higher. Market is up. 64. I want to get 65. SKE down 2 cents. ONO up 30 cents. Dow was up higher this morning. He's pulling back here. I'm still in BGRI calls. That's up 15 cents. I moved my exit to 55. P&L on fire. AK, you the man. Just chilling. Haven't done anything yet today, but making money. NVIDIA, Iron Condor. BILL, I want to go lower. BBY, I actually want to go up. BBY up $69 on 2 contracts. BILL says I'm only up about 40 cents. HNRG says I'm higher today. Those are just wide. Stock is traded 6,000 shares. Beam up 27 cents. BGRI, I have a target out. BSY, I have a private target out. This is it. NVIDIA, if NVIDIA closes, I'll make 100% profit on my NVIDIA trade. I did an Iron Condor in NVIDIA for earnings. Sold put spreads, sold call spreads. But I also sold the SOSX weekly 6.5 puts for 16 cents. Stock is down. These are down in volatility. That is just wild. Alcoa working out well here from yesterday. So Alcoa with either SEP 12th. SEP 1235s here, guys, up to about 34 cents. So Alcoa, SEP 12, 2025, 35 calls, up about 50% overnight. So Alcoa calls up about 50% overnight. I gave you those yesterday on the open. 22 cents, 22 to 35 is a 50% winner. Samsora. Have not taken any exits so far today. Have not taken any entries so far today. AKRO, I'd probably add to those. Let's look at the at the money straddle for today. Ooh, they're 20 at 145. I will go 40 bid in AKRO for personal portfolio. They'll probably join me here. They join me. At the money straddle, at the money calls, at the money puts for the SPY straddle for today. It's the 637 straddle. AMDL weekly 11.5 trading here, and AMDL weekly 11.5 trading here. AMDL weekly 11.5 trading here. In AMDL. At the money straddle is the 637 straddle today, 647 straddle today, I apologize, is $25. So they're implying a 25-point move between now and the end of the day in either direction. Futures could be up 30 or down 20. This is where on BILL is closed. Weekly 45.5s are still pretty juicy here. Do 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 do. Small little winners today, guys. Small little winners. Had an SPX Iron Condor on. Hopefully that will be a winner. That was for my Pete Bach. Automatic trading the SPX. I gave you guys that one yesterday in the chat box. Let's get some music going today. AK will not be around tomorrow, and then actually probably will be around. And then on Monday, the market is closed, so do not come here on Monday and ask where AK is, because I will be where I'll be. I'll be on a flight from Sicily to Macedonia to Bosnia. I'm currently in Sicily with my girlfriend. I have to go work. You can lay out, enjoy. She does work consistently more than me, though. So, as I always say, my life is a vacation. I travel around with my computer. KGS 35.55. Mark says close BLL. BILL, rip roar. AMDL calls being bought, guys, in the weeklies. AMDL weeklies. Oh, that's it. AMD triple bull. AMD at 160.69. Let's see how high AMD got. AMD 187 to 157. Quietly down about 14% from the highs. Dutch Bros higher. Alcoa, you could have made a 50% winner. BBY down. Chilling here, guys. Looking for RSI here in a minute relative to strength index. Looking for an oversold condition. Mart said an exit out of BILL. I'm like, I'm holding that one. Time is on my side. Just land right here. The weekly 45.5 will go to 40 cents. The back one would stay at 170. That'd be a huge winner here. From this September. The dark side of the moon. HNRG. 19s. Stock is just wide here. Alcoa, nice 50% winner overnight. Mark had two earning trades. They are both technically winners here. BBY and BILL. Here's a little bit of weakness. CFLT, we saw calls being bought in that one a couple of times. Oh my God, Confluent Energy. Rip roar. I just need HNRG to go rip roar. It can go up $3 in the next 3 weeks. Kind of flatlined here. It was $1 a day here. Frog, set 50s. We saw a huge buyer of those. That one working out well. Frog set 50s are up to $2 now. In at 30 cents. That's a 600% winner, guys, in Frog. If you are still holding Frog calls, up 600% in Frog, guys. Let's see what day those guys got. Those who got bought. Those are the set 50s. Traded $2 today. They were bought on 8/19.
So afraid of letting go, losing control. Nothing can change my point of view. Now I'm running from the butterflies that you left behind. Like the perfume on my pillow, you've been stuck in my mind. But baby, the truth is, I don't mind all the bruises. So if I'm gonna fall, then I will fall for you.
RSI closes here in about 15 seconds. TJT is the only thing we've seen hit the tape so far today. Sam Soar up another buck. KNX down, SKE down, SOSX down. NVIDIA down $1. Trying to take my NVIDIA Iron Condor off at a nickel. So with about 20 cents here. I'm fine risking it. BIL is a perfect landing here. Says I'm down money on this trade. That's really weird. Futures down in the day. Futures down in the day, down a point. 25-point move implied between now and the end of the day in either direction, to the upside or to the downside. Alcoa, bro's higher today. Bro. AEO calls. They were buying AEO at 13s yesterday. AEO up 19 cents. Those have doubled in value, guys, in AEO. EOSE, nice trading. BJRI 3045, don't even have a bid in there. BSY just said I lost a bunch of money, but I was up. Calls are wide. Those D60s are 150, 180. Have a target at 210. RSI relative strength index. We can get some candidates here. No official signals yet. Zim. HRL probably had earnings. BBWI probably had earnings. So Zim. Looking at Zim for RSI. We actually had two losers this week. Oscar calls were bought yesterday. My scanner's not running to see if there's earnings right now. BILL, just stay here. NVIDIA at $1.60. Have an iron condor that Tech Resources calls we bought. So Zim, no earnings. HL probably had earnings. BBWI probably had earnings. So Zim, guys, for RSI, one candidate here. So Zim, guys, Zim. On the 15. First candle is a bear candle. We have RSI under 12 on the 15. KGS is moving up nicely here. I have target at 65. These are unchanged. The 2 lot at 55. Guys, just whoever that is, an idiot. Dow down. IMAX, nice profits in IMAX. You guys are still in those 27s. BJRI 3040. P&L, the high of the year again. And I'm long SOSX, so if the market goes down, it doesn't really matter that much to me. BJRI probably add at 20, so let me put a 20 bid in this for OC 40s. I don't even know what BJRI owns, but they're basically have restaurants. Kindly short bill, BILL. I'm in Sicily till Monday, and Monday I go to Bosnia for 3 nights, and then I go to Macedonia. I have finished book 83 for the year. I'm on country 78, I think. I think Seoul was 77. Sometimes I have to go back to my Instagram to see how many countries I've been in. So Seoul, well, Japan was 76, Seoul was 77, and I have Malta 78, Bosnia 79, and Macedonia is 80. Now I'm just chilling. Meta down again today. Meta's been really weak. I still think Meta goes lower. SOSX starting to move up here. Sold puts in that one. So I'm technically long SOSX. Technically flat NVIDIA, but I have an iron condor on. Double A hit 50% winner today. HNRG now down on the day. VIX got down to 14.16. Only thing we've seen hit the tape, we see Zim on the 15. First candlestick's a bear candle. If it's a bull bar reversal, this will be a buy in Zim, Z-I-M. ZIM will be a buy here. No filled orders. You can see my P&L today. I'm up by, I was up over 1,100. Right now I'm up $846. Have a great SPX trade on an iron condor from yesterday. For my Pete box. I am a nomad, I know. So P&L, 24,000 year to date. I only had a $40,000 account. So I'm actually just crushing the S&P. UP set 5's trading here. Nothing to do in there. Samsara. I still think the market needs to go down a lot. But that's just, my personal belief. Market continue to go higher before any downward trend for a long time. But I think the market's overbought here. You're just on 8.25. I have 3 earnings trades on, and 3 trades are winners. I'm short. Well, technically, I'm short BLL. I took 2 trades from Mark. I took BILL and I took Bed Bath and Best Buy. Those are both winners now. And then I took NVIDIA on my own, and actually took SOSX on my own. So I'm technically in 4 earnings trades, and they're all winners. And thankfully, I got rid of NTNX yesterday or 2 days ago. I was mad I got out of NTNX because they ended up going up higher in value, and those OC85s are now completely worthless. Asher trading here, nothing new in Asher. Palantir down. Literally have nothing to do, guys. Like, I'm just sitting here waiting for an opportunity. We have an RSI candidate in Zim. Next bull candle would be a buy here in Zim. Dow up 2 cents. Samsara. So interesting. I don't even know what Samsara does. KNX, I would not buy those until they're like really cheap. Those are set 47.5s. 19,000 traded. I got in at 55, add out 56. Rocket launch scanner here in JD, guys. JD. If you're looking for something in JD, guys, JD. Not taking him here. JD, guys, JD calls me, bud. Futures go wacky to backy. ZIM on the lows again. Second bear candle here. CXW's OC24s, I would add here 15 cents. Let me go 15 bid. NVIDIA not on 440. So NVIDIA, I did put on a call spread in NVIDIA. I sold the weekly 170, 167.5 put spread and 190, 192.5 call spread for 110 credit. Risking 140 to make 110. As long as NVIDIA doesn't breach 169 or 191, I will make $110. And I literally did one contract of it. But I'm not going to close it just because it's a winner. And you can see my P&L here in NVIDIA. I'm up 80 bucks here on a one lot. So the condor is worth 30 cents right now. So I was selling volatility. Everybody's been talking about CNBC forever. Like, oh my God, we have to wait for NVIDIA earnings. We have to wait for NVIDIA earnings. I was like, I don't think NVIDIA earnings really matters. Tesla just came out and said that they're getting crushed in the EU and their sales are down 40%. The stock's up. Sometimes things just don't make sense in life, huh? H&RG. Come on, H&RG. One time. Traded 32,000 shares. I have a target at 40. I have a target at 60. Barely trades. It's the Hallador Energy. I would like to see the market get crushed and all the energy names move higher. Newmont call has been bought in the weeklies. Asher trading here. Says I'm down in BJRI and SKE. SKE up on the day. I don't know why it says I'm down. Oh, the put spread's just marking weird. That's fine. I don't care. BJRI 30-40. That's fine. Whatever. VIX got down to 14.10. JD calls were bought when the stock was about 30.18, so it's right here. Zim's second candlestick is going to be a bear candle, so no RSI yet. Zim. They bought Jumanji calls yesterday. I buy Jumanji calls on a pullback. A lot of my stocks I feel like aren't correlated to the market. The market's going down, and a lot of my stocks are still actually going up. BSY moving up higher again today. Those are 155, 185. BRBR was a nice signal. I took the 42.5 off at. In at 55 out of 65. So tomorrow I'll probably be around. I'm going to go to, I just did so I'm short the SPX, guys. This is another one of these automatic trades for me. So I'm short the SPX, guys. Short the SPX. If you want to take this trade with me, you can take this trade with me. This is the Pete Box system. And I'm short SPX. I've been tracking all of that. I've been tracking it for a month before I tell you I want to do it. So SPX, I sold SPX 828, 2025, 6485, 6490 call spread. And I sold it for 160. So this is a trade in SPX. We want to do it for today, guys. It expires today. So SPX, daily trade. This is automatically done through my broker when I signed up for the program. And I've just been watching this thing run. And it's been profitable for iron condors. It's been profitable total. But it has been a negative on this system. There's two differences. There's the 15-minute breakout. And then there is the iron condor system. Iron condor looks like it's going to be another 100% winner today. So selling the 6485, 6490 call spread for 160, guys. So doing a iron selling call spreads, guys, in SPX dailies. So technically, as long as it doesn't break 6490, Snowflake up $35. Zim, not a buy yet. Samsara. So short SPX, guys. Short SPX for the day. Have a little bit of cushion to the upside. SPX, short SPX, guys. Short SPX, guys, for the day, for today. First trade of the day. BSY is on a heater here. Those D's calls, I'm at 210. H&RG, just come on, H&RG. One time. Market go down and these go higher. They're 15.25. So AK probably will not be around tomorrow, might be around tomorrow. And then also after tomorrow, we do have Labor Day on Monday, guys. So the room is closed on Monday. Don't try to come in here on Monday. So AK will not be here. No one will be here. All we've seen is JD and Target. Zim, not a buy yet. Hertz, 320.14. That's wild. Open 420. Those are wild. March 14 calls in Hertz. No gracias. So all I've done today, guys, is sell SPX. All I've done today is sell SPX. Call spreads. 64.85, 64.90. Call a spread for 160. So if SPX closes right here, I'd be a nice profitable $160 on that trade. Beam up 60 cents. SEP quarters are worth $0. Oh, managers is 6,000. Hood 103 is trading here. Where was Hood before? Zim might be a buy in the third candlestick. Hood down about $13 from the highs, so down about 10%. All right, Tim sent me a trade, so I'm going to get in this trade. OPAD, 50 cents. So I want to do 200 shares of OPAD. OfferPad Solutions. About to get in this trade in OPAD. And at 427 in OPAD, guys. So there's a trade that Tim sent me. Tim trades have been really profitable, so I'm going to take a trade in this in OPAD at 427. Stop loss is 380. Profit target's 520. So OPAD, $100 of risk here in OPAD. Pretty soon you're not going to get these for free, so I had to take advantage of it while you can. I bought OPAD, 427, stop loss, 380, target, 520, $100 of risk. So every one of Tim's trades, I take $100 of risk. So in this trade here, guys, Tim sent me this trade. OPAD, guys, OPAD. 420, I'm in this trade. Have $100 of risk. OPAD, SW, 50 is trading here. OPAD, wow. Set 50s, 3,000 trade here in SW. Wow. This one has recently pulled back here. I'm going to try to get these at 25 cents. SW set 50s, guys. 25, not filled. Cancel my bid. Now they're 15 at 45. I'm going to try to get these at, I want to pay 25, but trying to pay 30 here. Fill that 30. We're trying to get at 25. SW, guys, personal portfolio getting a trade here in SW. Personal portfolio going to get a trade here in SW. Set 50s in SW, guys. Set 50s SW in at 30 cents. So if you're a personal portfolio member, you're about to get a trade. Oh, they put 36. I would actually buy more of these. I love this trade now. I didn't realize they bought so many of these. I'm going to try to pay 35 now. And at 35, SW, guys. SW, I like these here a lot, the set 50s. SW, set 30, set 50s, guys. I'm paying 30 cents. Up to 35. $10 out of 10, you're getting a signal here, guys. 10 out of 10 getting a signal here in SW. You get them at 35. I paid 35, I think is good. So 10 out of 10 getting a signal here in SW, guys. 10 out of 10 getting a signal in SW. Buy SW 919 2025. 50 calls for 30 cents. Up to 35. Target 45, guys. So SW here. There's 300 offered here right now at 35. They paid 35 here. SW, new buy and 10 out of 10. You just bid. 10 out of 10 entry, guys. 10 out of 10 entry in SW. 35. Up to 35 is okay, guys. Up to 35 is okay. SW. $35.40. There was a wall at 35 for a second. SW, guys. 10 out of 10 entry in SW. $10 out of 10 entry in SW, guys. If you're not a member, you can always add that to your service. All you have to do is email evan@alphashark.com. 10 out of 10 is your best performing portfolio of the year. And a lot of people add that service because they want those trades all day long and they want the best possible trades humanly possible. SW, guys. You can see here I got filled at 30 cents, about 10 at 30, about 10 at 35. So targets will be 45 and then 50. We're 35, 45 right now. Ooh, 50. $10 at 45, 10 at 50. Paid 30 cents, guys. SW. Zim about to close. Another bear candle here in Zim, so Zim will not be a buy. Samsora. H&RG up 30 cents here. $0.22.5 on those. So new position in 10 out of 10, guys. New position here in 10 out of 10. And Samsora. CJC's calls being bought. SW makes $1.23 a day. $15 minutes to go, guys. 15 minutes to play the period. ZIM is going to close on the third candlestick. ZIM will not be in a buy for RSI. So no buy here in RSI. Samsora. I don't even know what SW does. Let's look at what SW does, the stock. Smurf It? Wesson? Smurf It. I was actually trying to watch Smurf the movie the other day. Yesterday.
You missed me, I wasn't there, I wasn't listening, going crazy, losing focus on the things that are important. Are you still with me? Cause I'm not, I'm in another world, and I can't tell my brain to stop.
BE calls trading here, nothing to do with BE.
Yesterday, when you told me that when I'm down, you still hold me, you're really trying, please believe me, but it's so cold, I feel I'm freezing. Are you still
BE up $3 today. They've been buying BE calls like crazy. I would love to see the market just get crushed and HRNG and B move higher. And BSY. Have it SPX guys call spread for today and an iron condor. New call in SW guys. New calls in SW. $35.40. I got in at 30 cents. Targets are 45 and 50. Marvell with earnings after the close today. I was in pen calls for a while. I took those off. The Act 22s. Of course, they're working out now after I took them off. Wow, 63 cents. AKRO moving up here today. SW, guys, the pick of the day, guys. SW is the pick of the day. Set 50s. You're getting a big discount because it's going to be Labor Day on Monday. 10 minutes to go, guys. 10 minutes to go. OPAC getting a bid here. And at 427, 200 shares up 28 bucks here. Short SPX, long to SW. The video down 3.5. As long as the video does not break chilling here, guys. Two trades, SW calls, and then SPX call spreads. RTX trading here. Futures bid. The call spread will still be a winner here. Not by much. Zim third candle is a bear candle, so no signal in Zim. BJRI getting crushed. Sometimes there's no rhyme or reason why stocks go up or down, to be honest. BJRI calls are still 30.45. I would not pay 30. I'm 20 bid. iTub calls trading here. I'm not taking these here. This is Tropical House. Reminds me of my times of living in San Diego. It's like chill, but it's good. iTub trading here, guys. iTub trading here. iTub. STNE January calls being bought. Stock's up today, unfortunately. Oh, God, it's breaking out. I'm not taking these. STNE calls being bought, guys. STNE calls being bought. You want to take these, good luck to you. The stock's breaking out. Has a small ATR. So this is Option Hacker 2.0. Buyer of STNE, guys. Calls and STNE. You want to take these, wish you luck. I'm not going to take these with my money. I want BILL down. I want HNRG higher. You can see my P&L today. I was up about 1,100, up 700. Usually my P&L since opens usually down because I'm losing positions on because the winners I've taken off. You can see my P&L year to date. This is with real money, with my own money. I'm about 24K and about a $40,000 account. Five minutes ago, guys. 5 minutes. Remember, many service you will get trades throughout the course of the day. Dutch Bro's getting hit. Sometimes it does not make sense why some stocks go up and down. It's just that's the way the world works. Short the S&P, guys. So short the S&P for today. You just go whack. So I have so many different positions on. It's kind of fun. Like I'm short SPX for today. I have an Iron Condor for SPX for today. I have NVIDIA Iron Condor for tomorrow. I'm short SOSX puts. I just bought SW today. I mean, I'm net like long individual names, and then I'm net short, I guess, the S&P. Tesla not down in the day. NVIDIA down in the day. NVIDIA down 3.5. Meta higher in the day. Meta's look pretty weak. We got about 2 more minutes together, guys. BULL pre-earnings here. Minute and a half to go. Weeble. $79. What does Open do? Open got to 587 down to 50 cents. Crazy. And if you remember, if any subscription, guys, you will get trades throughout the course of the day. A lot of people add those subscriptions to their service because they don't want to miss any trades. Yeah, hello, rip mode. I need it lower. Still an OPAD, guys. Still an OPAD. Trade's been a winner here. Up $40 and $100 of risk. All right, guys, that's it for my time today. Everybody have a great day. Namaste. Be healthy, happy, and wealthy. Probably not 50-50 if I'm around tomorrow. If not, you guys will give me on Tuesday. Market is closed on Monday. If you're a member of any service, you get trades all Z day long. So enjoy that. Peter Troy's going to take you to the next session. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the trading room, and I appreciate all of you. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday at the latest. Thanks, everyone.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.